Okay guys, so I had a comment on my last video asking if I could show you guys how to create a Visual Studio 2022 project. So let's just try it out. So to start with, this is just to cover my background because my shortcuts, there's quite a few on my homepage, so or on my background. So we're just gonna put this over top. So to start with, we're just gonna open up Visual Studio 2022, and it should take you to a page that looks like this. All the past projects are on the left. And then it gives you four different options down here: clone a repository, open a project or solution, open a local folder, or create new project. And you can also continue without code if you want to update your Visual Studio or other stuff like that. So for this example, we're going to be creating a new project. So let's just go ahead and do that. So now it'll take you to this second page where you can customize and do all types of stuff. So it shows you your recent project templates over here. So I've been using Windows Form applications, console applications, and Python applications. So you can modify or filter out what types of projects you want up here in the top or on the left side. So I usually so this is how it'll usually start right here. So let's click clear. So this is what it'll start with. So I usually, and as you saw when I first loaded it up, it had C Sharp, Windows, I believe, in the middle, and then all project types on the right side. So it keeps your whatever you chose last. Like in the last project you created, it keeps whatever filters you had from it. So for the sake of this example, we're going to create a C Sharp application, and this just helps narrows it down because there's like a ton of options below, which is nice, but it's also kind of a pain at the same time. So for platforms, we're going to choose Windows. In project types, there's a bunch, but we're just going to leave it like that. So as you can see at the top, this is an easy console app that we can create. So we're just going to try to create it. You can go down, click whatever one you want, and click next, and that will create your project for you. So for this example, like I just said, we're going to create a console app. So we'll go next. Now this is where the fun starts to begin. So you get to choose your app. So we're going to say hello world, and we're just going to put it in my programming portfolio directory, and we're just going to place the project and the solution in the same directory for the sake of this example. So we'll click next, and this is where you get to choose your framework. So I have multiple different frameworks installed, um, three of which are out of support actually, but we have Net 6.0 and Net 7.0. So we're just going to choose 6.0 for the long-term support, and then we're going to click create. And I see, so we're just going to click no. So I already have a project with this name. So we're going to say hello world demo. How about that? There we go. All right, now let's create it. And as you can see, now we have a hello world demonstration. So we can just run it, and it should run right at the start. Yep, so there you go. Hello world. So if you guys would like any help with anything in the future, just send me a message or comment on any of the videos, and I'll try to get to it as soon as possible. Anyways, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one.